Question 1 on page 44. So this is Fiona. So the following employees have two rates of tax, 20% which is the lower band and 40% is in the higher band. All the employees have tax credit at the value of 3,300 per year. So Fiona earns a gross wage of 37,400. And in her first year of working, calculate the amount of income tax she has to pay. So for the first 20%, okay, the cutoff point for these questions is 33,800. So for the first 33,800, you have to get 20% of 33,800. So get out the calculators. 33,000 multiplied by 0.20 gives me an answer of 6,760. What you have to do then is, that is at 20%. So what is next is you take 33,800 away from 37,400 and you get an answer of 3,600. So this figure here, 3,600, is the remainder. So 3,600 is the difference between 33,800 and 37,400. And the remainder is taxed at 40%. So get out the calculators. 3,600 multiplied by 0.40 gives me a total of 1,440 euro on the right hand side. What I do then is I add up my totals on the right hand side, 6,760 plus my 1,440, and that will give me a total of 8,200. Less my tax credit. So a tax credit is defined as it reduces the amount of tax one has to pay. In this question, the tax credit is 3,300. So you minus 3,300 from 8,200, and your answer is 4,900. Now for the bonus question, you will be asked the amount of weekly tax to be paid. So 52 weeks in the year, and you will be dividing that by 52, and you will get an answer of 94.23 euros, and then multiply that by the monthly, which is by 12. 4,900 divided by 12 will give me an answer of 408. Now this is Natalie. Natalie earns 35,100. So again, the first 33,800, you get 20% of the first point. So 20% of 33,800 is 6,760. The remainder then is 1,300. So you get 40% of the remainder of 1,300, and that will give me 520. What I do is I add my two taxes, 6,760 plus 520, and that gives me a total of 7,280. Less my tax credits. Okay, so my tax credits reduces the amount of tax that I have to pay, and in this case my tax credits is 3,300. So minus 3,300 from 7,280, and this will give me an answer of 3,980. 3,980 divided by the amount of weeks in the year, 52, will give me an answer of 76.54 euro, and divided by the amount of months in the year, 12, 3,980 divided by 12 will give me an answer of 333.67 euro. So then chapter 5, we have Liam on page 44. So Liam earns a gross wage of 42,900, and again the 20% cut-off period is 33,800. So 20% of 33,800 is 6,760. Then the remainder, then you take 33,800 from 42,900, and you're left with 9,100, and you get 40% of 9,100, which gives us 3,640. You then add those two figures, 6,760 and 3,640, and that gives you 10,400. You then minus your tax credits. So the tax credits in this question is 3,300. Your tax credits is the amount of money that you're allowed to reduce your tax credit, reduce the tax you have to pay of 3,300. So you put it in, and it is 10,400 minus my 3,300, which will give me an answer of 7,100. You then 7,100. This is the tax that has to be paid. And in the bonus part of the question, it says weekly, so you divide 7,100 by 52, and that will give you an answer of €136.54. And then for monthly tax to be paid, divide 7,100 by 12, and then that will give you an answer of €591.67. Now, next we're on to page 45, and we are calculating the universal social charge. So in this case, we're doing Harry. So Harry earns a gross wage of 35,100 in his first year of working. What we have to do is we have to calculate the USC, the universal social charge he has to pay. So from the examples we've been given, we have to calculate the first 1%, then the next 3%, and then the next 5.5%. So what we have to do here is we have to get 35,100, and we get 1% on the first 12,012, which is €120.12. Once that is done, we then come along and we take 12,012 away from 35,000. Okay, so the next €6,655.69, we have to get 3% of that, and that gives us €199. And then the remainder then, okay, is we take the 12,000 and the 6,000 away from 35,100, and the remainder is 16,432. So what we do is we get 35,100 minus the 12,012 minus 6,655.99, and the remainder is 16,432. So we get 5.5% of that figure, and we get an answer of 903.76. So what we do then is we add up these four figures, and we get a total of €1,223.56. Then, to get the bonus question, we divide that by 52, 1,222.56 by 52, which gives us an answer of €23.53. And again, for monthly, how many months in the year? 12, and we go 1,223.56 divided by 12, and that will give us €101.96. So now we have Mary, and Mary earns a gross wage of 37,400. So again, we have to get calculations on the first 1%, the next 3%, and the next 5.5%. Okay, so in this case, the 1% of 12,012 will work out at €120.12. The next 6,655.99, we have to get 3% of that, so we multiply 6,655.99 multiplied by 0.03, and that will give us an answer of 199.68. What we do then is we have 37,400. We minus 12,012 from 37,400 and 6,655.99 from 37,400. And that gives us the remainder of 18,732.01, and we get 5.5% of 18,732.01, and that gives us an answer of €1,030. So what we do then is we add up our figures, okay, and we get a total of 1,350.06. So that's 120 plus 199.68 plus 1,030. Add them all up. Our total universal social charge is 1,350.06. And again, for the bonus question, our total USC, divide that by 52 for the weeks. Okay, so we get an answer of €25.96, and 1,350 divided by 12 will give us an answer of 112.51. So now on page 45, question 3, Louise, she earns a gross of 42,900. So again, on the first 12,012, we get 1% of that, so that gives us €120.12. The next 6,655.99, we get at 3%, which is 199.68. Then the remainder, what we do is we add 12,012 plus 6,655, and we take it from 42,000. Okay, and we get our answer. The remainder is 24,232.01, and we get 5.5% of that, and that gives us 1,332.76. So what we do then is we add up our totals: 120.1, 199.68 and 1,332.76. We add up those figures and we get a total of 1,652.56. And again, like the other two questions, we get a weekly, which is 52 weeks in the year, so we get 1,652.56. Divide that by 52, which gives us 31.78. And then monthly, we get 1,652.56 divided by 12, and they give you an answer of €137.71.